Your agent can plan, write code, call an API, but ask it to go get real-time web data. And it just stops.
It can't sign up for an account or type in the credit card, so that's where it quits.
But from today, it doesn't.
Hi, I'm Stepan on the core services team. I build Apify's x402 payment flow.
And I'm Jacob from AI team. I work with Stepan to bring it to Apify MCP server.
Today, we are going to show you an agent paying for web data on a pay-as-you-go basis and how much it all costs. It runs on a x402, the open source payment protocol governed by Linux Foundation. The agent makes normal HTTP call to our Actor API, and the server responds with 402 payment required status code.
The agentic wallet authorizes the transaction, and with the up-to schema, it sets the allowance, so you only pay for what the run actually consumed. So, this is what it looks like. This is my Droid agent, and I will prompt it with something like this. So now the agent will verify it has the MCP installed. It's our custom-made MCP CLI client that has the MCP support built in. Then it will check if it has balance in their agentic wallet. And also, it will connect to Apify MCP server. So now we see the agent has $5 USDC in the wallet, and now it's connecting to Apify.
Here is the important thing, it's connecting with the x402 flag, which is telling the MCP client to use x402 payments.
And now it will search for the best actor. We can see it found the Clockworks TikTok hashtag scraper, and now it will try to use the scraper. So now it fetches all the details regarding the actor, so it knows how to use this actor properly. And then it will scrape 100 posts using the scraper. Now the scraper is running on Apify. Let's wait for the results. Now it is fetching the data, and we have them saved locally. It will write the script to process the data and analyze them to give us the summary. We can see it's creating Python script to analyze the JSON data. It successfully exported from Apify. Now the script finished successfully, and it should summarize us the results. And now the results are here. We can see that there is plenty of creators, there are followers, engagement, likes, videos, and how many plays the videos have. So that's it. We have the data saved locally, and we have a summary from AI agent, and we can ready to analyze the data and use them in our workflows.
That's thousands of AI tools on Apify store that your agent can access through x402.
And now the agent can discover x402 enabled endpoints on agentic.market. In Apify, we really believe in agentic economy, and x402 is a critical piece of the infrastructure.
You can read our launch blog post and docs and give your agent power to pay.